Hello, do you have eggshells in large quantity? Are you a poultry farmer and you want to make your own poultry feed in your farm? Do you have these eggshells in large quantity? You have a gold mine in your farm because you have already dropped the cost of making your poultry feed up to 20%. Eggshell is very important because of its minerals and vitamin content that can help you to make affordable poultry feed at a reduced price in your farm. Watch the video till the end so that you get all the nutritional analysis of poultry eggshells, how you can make use of it to prepare your own starter feed, grower feed, and broiler finisher feed in your farm with less cost. Let's get started. Make sure you watch this video to the end and make sure you share this video to reach more poultry farmers who want to make their own feed at a reduced price. Make poultry feed with eggshell, a source of calcium for your poultry and livestock animals. Do you have eggshells in large quantity? Do you have fast food dealers as friends where you can get eggshells for free? This video is for you. Are you a poultry farmer? Do you want to make your broiler's legs strong and grow faster? This eggshell is very important for you. Are you a layers farmer? Are you into layers farming and your chicken's eggshells are not strong? We are dealing on eggshell in poultry feed making. I'm going to give you 15 important eggshells in poultry feed and livestock feed in general. I also give you all the nutritional analysis. Somebody asked this question in one of my videos that I should teach more on eggshells. It seems some farmers have them in abundance. Eggshell is very important in poultry feed making. What if the eggshell you always throw away every day are actually a valuable mineral resources for your chickens and livestock? Eggshells are more than just waste. They contain a very high concentration of calcium and can be processed into a useful calcium supplement for your poultry and livestock feed. But how should eggshells be prepared, and what exactly do you need to know about eggshell in feed and their nutritional values? What do they contribute to poultry and livestock animal nutrition? This video will explain everything for you and reveal them for you as a poultry farmer. I will start with importance of eggshell in poultry and livestock feed. One is calcium source. Eggshells provides for normal bone and skeletal development in your poultry and livestock animals. Bone strength, support proper mineralization and maintenance of bones in poultry and livestock. Are your broilers crawling? Are they having deformities in their legs? They cannot walk well after growing big and fatter. Eggshell could be the answer to that illness. Back and claw development. Calcium contributes to normal development and maintenance of hard bone tissues. Muscle function. Calcium is essential for normal muscle contraction. Nerve function. It supports normal transmission of nerve signals in poultry and livestock animals. Blood clotting. Calcium from eggshell participates in normal blood clotting processes in poultry and livestock health. Enzyme activities. Calcium from eggshell is involved in the activation and regulation of several biological enzymes in poultry and livestock health. Cell signaling. Calcium from eggshells plays an important role in communication between cells, growth support. Adequate calcium is necessary for normal growth and development of young poultry and livestock animals. Replacement of some mineral sources. Properly processed eggshells provides and contribute to dietary calcium and may partially replace other calcium sources or other calcium ingredients in formulated feed. Improve eggshell quality. If you're a layers farmer and the eggshells of your laying birds are not strong enough, or most of the times you have cracks in some of the eggs, adequate calcium nutrition from eggshell can help maintain shell strength and reduce thin or fragile eggshells. Supports reproductive function. Calcium from eggshell is involved in normal reproductive physiology. Useful feed recycling ingredients. Properly processed eggshells can convert a household or farm waste material into a useful feed ingredient at a zero or reduced cost. All these are useful if you have a very clean eggshell. Mineral supplementations for livestock. Eggshells derived calcium can contribute to the mineral requirements of poultry and some other livestock animals when included appropriately according to a design formula in a balanced feed ration. What are the nutritional analysis of eggshell? What do you think that make eggshell very nutritious for poultry and livestock animals? The exact composition varies depending on the bird's diet and the processing method used for getting the proper feed raw materials from the eggshell. Dry eggshells is predominantly a calcium carbonate mineral material. Now, if you are using eggshell from a farm that their birds are well fed, the eggshell will also be highly nutritious. That is what it's all about. Because the eggshell is a byproduct of the food or the quality of the food consumed by that particular bird that lays the egg. Now, calcium, approximately 34 to 40% of eggshell weight. Each eggshell, if you put it in a digital scale, like this here, this is a digital scale. This is food scale. No matter how little or small the quantity of the ingredient is, once you place it on a small digital scale, it will show you the grammage of that particular feed ingredient. Every poultry farmer needs a food scale like this, a digital scale like this. Now, that particular weight of the eggshell has up to 34 to 40% of the calcium mineral in it. And that one, calcium carbonate, approximately 90 to 95% of the mineral portion. Magnesium present in small quantities in eggshell. That means every eggshell, well-processed eggshell has magnesium. It has phosphorus in small quantities. It has sodium in small quantity as a trace requirement or trace quantity. It has potassium. It has sulfur. It has protein also, approximately 3 to 4%, mainly associated with the organic eggshell matrix and membrane. That's where the eggshell protein contain. And that one is organic minerals are predominant in eggshells. Organic one. It's not the ones you go and buy from the market. Let me tell you, if you go to all these feed stores, you see that people are rushing. Give me this, give me my chickens are not working. They give them anything they feel, anything they crush inside powder. But if you get the eggshell by yourself, you know actually this is eggshell, and you sun dry it. After sun drying it, you can grind it with kitchen grinder. Get your own calcium from this eggshell, which you actually know, and you can defend it that you made it by yourself. It is better than buying the market own or commercial one. Crude fat in a little quantity, crude fiber just in a negligent quantity, also little quantity, trans carbohydrate also in a little quantity. What are the importance of this, and what is the safety point of using eggshell? Do not simply collect raw eggshells and mix them directly into your feed. No. Wash the eggshell thoroughly. Remove adhering eggshell materials. All the rubbish that are attached to that eggshell should be removed. Wash thoroughly and sun dry it properly. Then, after sun drying it, you must warm it. Before sun drying, cook it very well. Cook the eggshell properly before sun drying, and after sun drying, then crush or grind into powder form. Eggshells are not digestible. Please, it should be in a powder form, in a way that you can, just like in the way that you can blow it. If you blow, the breeze will carry, just like the way you raw powder. This finest of the powder, that's how the eggshell is supposed to be before you mix it with your feed. Eggshell should be used as a calcium ingredient, not as a complete mineral or feed replacement. No. Don't say you have eggshell in large quantity, you grind it and start feeding it to your birds. No. It is not a feed. It should be used as a feed supplement, as a feed ingredient, not as a feed directly. Don't feed to your birds. The way and manner you can feed corn to your birds, don't feed eggshells to your birds, please. The total calcium and phosphorus balance of the finished ration must be considered to avoid mineral imbalance. Do you want a feed formula? Do you want a broiler starter feed formula? Do you want a finisher feed formula using eggshell as one of the ingredients? Let me know on the comment section. I can develop that formula for you, and at the same time post it on this particular channel. Thank you for watching this video. Do you find this video very interesting and helpful in your poultry and livestock business? Give it a thumb up. This will at least activate me to produce more videos that will be useful to you as a poultry farmer. Many people requested for this particular video from the comment section. That's why I made this video. If you want the formula using eggshell, let me know on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video loading very soon. Subscribe and make sure you share this video to get to more poultry farmers. Our Eco Bio Booster is still available. Our feed booster, superb feed booster, is still available. That boosts your feed and the growth of your poultry and livestock animals. You can see it here. This is organic feed booster. This is 15,000 naira, and it can be used for 5 bags of feed. See it, fully packaged. This one pack can be used for 5 bags of 25 kg feed. See it here. Thank you for watching. Our Eco Bio Booster, you need it. You want big broilers, get our Eco Bio Booster. Organic for your poultry and livestock animals' health and growth. Bye for now.